Excuse me? Why are you digging in the trash?
I'm trying to find something to eat.
Where are your parents at?
My mom and dad died in a car accident. Ever since I've been on my own.
I'm so sorry to hear that. What's your name?
My name is Jamie. What's your name?
My name is Mrs. Jones, and this is my husband, Mr. Jones. Here, I want you to take this and get you something to eat and a place to stay.
Baby, that's our rent money. What are you doing?
You want us to let the kids starve? Baby, take the money and get you something to eat.
You're gonna give me your rent money?
Don't worry about it.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Hold on, hold on. I'm gonna give you something, and this is gonna protect you, okay?
Good morning.
Good morning. It's the landlord.
Jones, got bad news, man. We sold the house this morning, and the new owner will be here shortly.
Bob, I told you we will get you your money. We want to buy the house. We need just a little bit more time.
I'm sorry. The house is already sold. You have to leave now.
Bob, we don't have anywhere else to go. Please.
Sorry, man. Please, hurry. That's the new owner.
Let's just go get our stuff.
Bob, where are we gonna go? On the road?
Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Good morning. So, what's the holdup?
The Jones are getting the stuff, and they'll be out in a second.
The Jones?
Yeah, Jones, you know?
I'm not sure. Can I meet them?
Sure. Come on.
Please, just give us a few more minutes, please. Just please give us a few more minutes, please. Just a few more.
Mr. and Mrs. Jones.
I'm sorry. Do I know you?
Mrs. Jones!
Jones! Come see, it's Jamie!
Excuse me, sir. If you don't mind me asking, how did you guys know each other?
You see, I was homeless as a child. Didn't have anywhere to sleep. I didn't have anything to eat. But Mr. and Mrs. Jones, they saw me scavenging through a trash can. They gave me their last, man. They gave me their rent. And they didn't have any more money. But they saved me, man. These people right here, they saved me. Do you have the key?
The house is yours.
God bless you, Jamie.
You're welcome, Mrs.
God
Jones.
bless you. God bless you. Thank you.
You're welcome. You deserve it.
A simple act of kindness can go a long way. It may not repay you today or tomorrow, but do good, and good will follow you.
Each one helps one. If you see someone in need and you can help them, no matter how small it is, it could mean a lot to them and may help them in ways you can't imagine.
Love makes the world go round. Without love, we're empty.
Help someone today. Show them that someone cares. Show them that someone loves them.